Audit prep should not feel like a fire drill. In many regulated plants, the evidence already exists. The problem is that it is scattered across MES, QMS, ERP, PLM, spreadsheets, emails, and shared drives. So when an auditor asks for proof, teams spend valuable time chasing the full story. Device history, batch records, NCs, CAPAs, deviations, approvals, training records, material genealogy. Each record may be correct on its own, but the audit question usually needs the full evidence path. Better audit readiness starts when teams can ask evidence questions and trace the answer back to the source. In regulated manufacturing, a fast answer is not enough. It must show the system, record, timestamp, owner, and approval behind it. A practical starting point is one recurring audit request, one product family, one evidence path, one workflow to make less manual. The goal is not to rebuild the story every time someone asks for proof. Audit readiness should be built into daily operations, not rebuilt before every inspection.